writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like just a book in the brain. Used to chase things.
Love is not in you. Hallelujah.
Wrote a song for the days that feel soft and broke. What a healing, don't shout, but it still bounce back.
Oh no. Do you have a Ganesha statue?
Yeah, you are taking picture.
Oh yes.
Okay, okay.
mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What the grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things.
Love is not in you. Hallelujah.
Water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What the grass smell green and the air feels safe. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things after rain. What the grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that were run from me. Now I sit still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf. While the moon do a dance with a soft oak tree. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. I've been good, I've been gone, I've been lost in the loops. Got a hoodie and some headphones, walking with truths. Ain't good, I've been gone, I've been lost in the loops. Got a hoodie and some headphones, walking with truths. Ain't no inches in the feed, just noise and flex. But I found God once in a vinyl set. Talk slow when I speak, let the moment stretch. Learn peace ain't found, it's a thing you protect. Yeah, I vibe like water, I change and shift. But the roots still deep like my grandma's grits. City move fast, but I drift like smoke. Let the rhythm in my chest be the way I cope. Wrote a song for the days that feel soft and broke. Why the healing don't shout, but it still got hope. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back.
And this is my third day here and I feel amazing. I just love this city so much. Just want to experience a little more longer my stay. I want to stay a little bit more longer, so yeah, I'm at the park and I just decided to take a random trip with the streetcars, so I just wanted to try, so I was like, okay, why not, you know. So now I'm going back and I think I'm in the Little India, I'm not sure, but there's a lot of Indian, Middle East restaurant and people, so we'll see. Oof, there was a bug. Okay. Do you have a Ganesha statue?
Yeah, you are taking picture.
Oh yes.
Okay, okay.
So I just came back and people are still partying in Greek town. They're still partying, and I guess it's because of the festival, the taste test. They have like a bunch of food stand, like, and they sell a bunch of things, and they know how to have fun. They throwing like a bunch of napkins in the streets, like they don't care, like geez, they know how to party. Anyways, I just find myself in the subway, and it was like a little bit confusing at first today. I was like, okay, am I trying to learn this? And yeah, I just asked a question and it was so easy. Now I understand, so it's nice. And I went also to the park. I walk a lot in downtown to see what they got around, and especially in the mall, the Eaton Centre. And yeah, I really like it. And right now it's like 9:30 and I haven't eaten since lunch, and I ate the half of my wrap burger, and to be honest, I didn't feel it that much. It wasn't that great, but I appreciate the effort. At least they had like a vegan option at the mall. I was like, okay, what kind of thing that is kind of interesting to see. I don't want to see something that I already eat at home. So yeah, I just appreciate. Yeah, and I went to a couple of spiritual store to see like if they had like incense or statues, like the Ganesha statue. I really like it, and I found some. And also I bought a little souvenir so I can bring it back home with me. I already don't want to leave. 2 days and ciao. But yeah, right now I'm gonna have to eat I don't know if I want to eat the rest of my half burger wrap, but I want to eat something. I've been eating a lot of cereal like in the evening and in the morning, so I don't know. I'm gonna watch a little bit of TV, and I will see what I can do tomorrow. And yeah, that's it.